Welcome to MatchTrader, the modern all-in-one trading platform designed for forex and CFD trading. Its intuitive layout offers easy navigation and clear charting tools. Let's take a look at how to access TradingView charts and some basic charting features and configurations. We looked at basic MatchTrader charting in the last video, and now, by clicking on this toggle switch, you can access TradingView, one of the most comprehensive trading packages in the industry. The rest of the MatchTrader interface remains available with the Market Watch and positions accessed by the sliders or the full-screen Minimize icon. Navigation buttons are available upon mouse over for zooming and scrolling, and you may reset here. Of course, you may use your mouse wheel for zooming as well. If you have one or more panes open, you may see the navigation buttons and move the pane to the top or bottom, hide the pane, or go to full screen. Under Chart Settings and Symbol, you may change the colors of the candle bodies, borders, and wicks to suit your style. If you use a line chart instead of candles, the list of settings will look different, of course. Some traders prefer to see candles based on the previous close for a cleaner view during trending markets. You may also change the color and thickness of the price line and add the daily high and low on the chart. If you prefer more or less precision in pricing on the chart, you may set it here. And you may change the time zone to match your own. Under Status Line, you may change the settings for the display of open, high, low, close, indicators, and objects. You may hide or show a variety of elements and alter the backgrounds if indicators, graphics, lines, or candles interfere with the text. Under Scales, regarding the Y price axis, you will find features unique to TradingView. You may display the symbol name, the last price, and you may add the percentage change, the high and low price on the day, indicators and their values, and the countdown to the current candle close. In the last video, we showed you that by dragging the price axis, you can compress the whole chart. By activating Lock the Price to Bar ratio, you may zoom in and zoom out on both the price and time axes. You may also change the date and time formats. Under Canvas, you may adjust and set colors for the background, grid lines, session breaks, and others. You may create a watermark to clearly display the symbol and time frame of the current chart. Here, you may make the navigation buttons visible at all times. And you may adjust the border margins to the visible price action. Now, you may save the new configuration as a template and restore the defaults if you wish. Even if you log into a different browser or device, your templates will be available. Price action display and time intervals may be changed easily. A huge variety of indicators is available, and we will explore these in other videos. TradingView is fully equipped with everything you need in terms of graphics, and we will explore these in other videos as well. Clicking on the Compare Symbols icon reveals a window where you may add any number of symbols. Selecting New Price Scale proves to be the most flexible, as the new symbol appears as a line chart in the overlay with its price scale on the opposite side. You can now compress and expand both symbols' price action to see corresponding movements and divergence. The ruler is used to measure distance over both time and price axes in the percentage change, candles or bars, elapsed time, points, and the price difference. Click anywhere on the chart to hide the measurements. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this MatchTrader video series and your new exciting trading journey.